This video is powered by Oxygen. Hello guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Pearle Technick, and I'm feeling so bright today because it's the brightest episode we've ever had. In the previous episodes, we got this comment saying, Pearle, we need more light. We need more pragasham, which means light in Malayalam. And today, we've put all the lights in the Kerala here in the studio. And today, we need one more light to brighten this up. One minute. That is the last light of this. So welcome back once again. Pearle Technick in there, but listen, come back. So guys, thank you so much. Now we are a family of 50,000 followers. I mean, I feel so happy because it's been just 2 videos and I feel like we already have like a huge family of people giving us amazing comments, responses, advices, and we are listening. We are all ears. Don't think that my hair is hindering it. I can hear everything. Now it's very silent. So guys, once again, I'm reminding all of you to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Let it go for a 6er. And make sure that you're staying tuned because I need your support. Okay, today we're gonna do one very, very crazy thing because nobody's ever done it in this world. I'm just kidding. Everyone's done. I think I'm the last person to do this unboxing. Okay, anyway, this is a new channel. I have to keep myself updated. Just keep taking one step at a time. So I just took one phone at a time. Today we're going to unbox OnePlus OnePlus 11. No more cuts in our video. OnePlus's latest phone, 11. Yeah.
കുട്ടികളെ ഇതില് 5G ഉണ്ട്.
എടാ ഏത് നാറിയാടാ എന്റെ ഫോട്ടോ എടുത്തത്? ഞാൻ അപ്പുറത്തെ ബിൽഡിങ്ങിന്റെ മോളിൽ നിൽക്കുമായിരുന്നു. അത്രയും സൂം ചെയ്തെടുക്കാൻ ആരാടാ പറഞ്ഞത്? അത് ഞാനാ എടുത്തത്. ഞാൻ ഇനി എടുക്കും.
So guys, here we have the OnePlus 11 with me. I'm so excited. You know why? Because previously they've been not so consistent with their products because they've been actually losing out on the market because of the inconsistencies. But they have brought back all the great features that their customers said is their best feature, and they've put all of them together in this. They are like my mother. They're listening to everything that I say. I want upma ma, and my mom will make upma. I'll say I want dosha, masala dosha ma, and she'll make that. So it's like she's listening. What am I saying? So OnePlus has actually been listening to their customers and making sure that they put all the best features into this one perfect box, which looks really cool. It's red and I love it. So guys, I'm going to start unboxing this cute little box because it's looking red. I want to find out which color we have. It's already written, but I still want to create a suspense. So we're going to unbox, and their tagline is actually never settle. Because they don't settle, they keep upgrading their phones. They want to put something new in every phone that they come out with. Unlike iPhone, because they always come up with small differences every year. And still, we have to settle for it. But they are like, no. Never settle. We'll give you everything that you want. So let's just open and see what they have given us this time. Oops. That was supposed to look good, but then it's okay. Life is like that. Now I'm gonna unbox this. But plastic is actually, I would not. This is something they can avoid. And then you do this. And then it comes out. And then you have never settle, like written on it, okay? So you have to like read it again. Never settle. Now I'm thinking why I'm settling in life also. Should not settle. Srini, I'm going, okay? I'm going to Himalayas. Okay, listen guys, I'm just putting this out. This is also coming out. Everything is coming out, guys. So many things are there. To be honest, I just became a tech geek now, like recently, last month. So I don't even know what is it. What is it? So now we have a lot of things over here. Let me just arrange it properly because, yeah, it should look neat now in the frame because otherwise they'll kill me. Okay, this is the wire. Again, they have this red color wire and everything. It's really cool. I think it's damn cute. See? Now they have the plug, which is extremely huge. It's actually bigger than the phone. See? Okay. And it's heavy. And the phone, it's pretty heavy. Is that a good thing? You want heavy phone? No. Could have been lighter, na? Yeah. So I am not settling for this. Make it lighter next time. This is the phone. It's actually looking really nice. And we have Eternal Green. Wow! That's like a beautiful name for a green color. It's actually a dull green, but it's called Eternal Pacha Pidikiya in Malayalam. Okay, guys. And then they have one more sticker. What is it? Chumma. Okay, now they have this phone. Trust me, it looks really nice because my hands are looking nice. Goes with my nail color, I think. Because we have a lot of women followers saying that women don't understand tech. But trust me, I'm a woman. And then I just switched on the phone. Powered by Android. Oh, by the way, we are powered. Okay, oxygen has powered us. You know what? If you are like feeling suffocated in your life with all the old gadgets and you feel like there is no oxygen, please go to Oxygen for the latest tech. How's that tagline? It's a little long. It's like a tag poem, but I wrote it for them. It's a very cool place. You should go check it out. It's in Ernakulam and they have a lot of other branches too. So if you're planning to buy anything tech related, they have a lot of other stuff. Do check out their page. I'm gonna link them up and their phone number, whatever. I'll be giving it in the description. Do check out their page. So Oxygen, thank you so much for giving us oxygen. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this box aside because it looks really nice. It's a very solid, nice box. I think I'm gonna put my earrings and rings and all in it. Just girl stuff, they'll understand. Okay, so now guys, we have the case over here. Let's see what they have inside. They have a beautiful box actually. I'm just gonna open it and see what is inside. Oh, okay. So they are saying welcome to OnePlus. Thank you. Never settle. Okay, they have something that I can just tear. Okay, I'm gonna just keep on tearing till I find something. Maybe it's like a suspense box or something. Oh, there's nothing here. It's like a letter. Now they have a membership card. So I think they have some Facebook page or something. So you can go become a member there. Oh, this is a Red Cable Club. Oh, this cable has a club. So they have a club for this cable. Scan to claim. Okay, whatever. Now they have a cover also. Quick guide. Okay, I'm like so. Now the pin is here, guys. So I think the pin just fell off when they were manufacturing it, but it's okay. They have given us a pin. It's a pin for the SIM card. I know that much. Okay, shut up. Now they have a beautiful cover. Before I put the cover on the phone, I want to tell you guys something. I think this is the best part of this phone. They have given us nice stickers. So if you notice, they have so many stickers. I'm going to put one here, phone, one over here, because in India, we put bindi. There is love. I need all of you to love me. And then there is the bulb sticker, which says like, idea. This is the gift box. I don't even know why they give us stickers. So this is me saying, I will not settle for this. Give me something better, guys. They have a nice glossy finish back. As you can see, it's glossy finish. Even, in fact, I can see my face, which looks actually very cute. Aww. Anyway, if the front camera is not working, you can look back and you can see yourself. Maybe that's the point. Now, let's try on the cover that they've given us. The cover looks damn cool. I've heard the cover turns colors with time. It's called the dirty color, yellow, it'll become. So they are actually trying to become like Apple, which is yellow, but they will become slowly Apple. So this OnePlus 11 is sitting in my hand, no, standing in my hand, no, sleeping in my hand, no, just existing in my hand. And this just feels like any other large screen phone, which is around 6.7 inches display and is kind of bezel-less. I'm not sure if it is. Yeah, it's kind of bezel-less, nearly bezel-less. And also this is looking sleek. It's a beautiful, it fits perfectly in my hand, but it's actually a very cool phone to hold in your hands. Hello? So guys, now we're gonna explore the holes in the phone. There are so many holes here. One hole is for the SIM slot. The other hole is for... Okay. And this is the charging hole. And then there is dual... I'm laughing because it's so funny because they're comparing this with Dolby Atmos and all. There is two speakers. So there are two holes. And two holes will give so much sound that you'll feel like you're in a Dolby Atmos. atmosphere. And also they have other buttons, the volume button, the usual. This is one of the main highlights of the phone. They have brought back this slider here, which is actually very nice. I just ordered a slider burger, but that's so different from this slider. And I heard Apple is gonna take away the slider. They brought back the slider. Everybody's playing around with the slider. What is happening in the bider? Okay guys, I'm gonna just play some music and see if there is any Dolby feels. This is good actually. So if you're looking for a nice speaker, a phone without like any headphones or anything, if you just want to hear music with the phone, this is actually a very good option. It's pretty clear. I love it. Now coming back to the back side of the phone, we have the camera cluster over here, which looks like a stuffed top, and the Hasselblad text in the middle. Now with all the premium phones, the camera cluster is pretty large, and this is pretty normal. The primary lens is 50 MP Sony IMX890 sensor, 48 MP ultra-wide sensor, 32 MP portrait telecamera and dual LED flash. The front camera has 16 MP. Again, the whole thing looks very classy, and most of the big phones have this format happening, so it's not a big deal to have such a big camera cluster at the back. Now coming to the display, OnePlus 11 has a great display. It has a 6.7-inch ultra super fluid AMOLED display and a 120 Hz refresh rate and also a 2K resolution. The display is also 10-bit Dolby Vision, so if you like to watch your movies on your phone, if you like to travel and watch movies, if you're that person, this is the phone for you because you're gonna feel like you're in a theater. A 10-bit Dolby Vision. Now coming to the performance of the phone, it's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 operated by Oxygen OS 13. We have the basic storage 8GB RAM with 128GB external storage. So if you're wondering, hey Pearly, what is the battery life of this phone? I just want to tell you it's going to stay for almost a day because it has 5000 mAh and it's a fast charging phone. Probably it will charge fully within like 24 minutes or 27 minutes. Actually, that's what the company is claiming, but I have to check it out for myself. And in today's world, it's all about connectivity, right? Like we can't just live without Wi-Fi. So this has a Wi-Fi 7 and also a 5.3 Bluetooth connectivity, which is great. This has a Gorilla Glass, which means only a gorilla can break it, and I'm just kidding. It's pretty tough. At least on the papers, they are claiming that this is a very powerful phone, and I believe that it is. Also, it has a dual SIM, and which means one is a nano SIM and the other one is a eSIM. Also, it has 5G connectivity, which is very important in today's world. So guys, a lot has been discussed about the camera quality of this phone, and I really want to explore it. So let's get out and explore this phone and the camera quality. Hello guys, I'm just gonna try this phone out and I'm here in a park. So I thought this will be the perfect place to try and figure out if the camera and video quality is really good. I'm also gonna check out the stabilization, which is really nice apparently. So I'm gonna start running and start taking a video. On the whole, I really like the phone and I feel like the stabilization on the video can be a little better, and the front cam was not as great as my previous experiences, but still it can be a good phone if you're planning to buy one. So that's about it in today's episode. This was the OnePlus 11 and I think it was a great phone. I love the Dolby Atmos, Dolby Visual and everything. I think it's going to be an audio visually very, very strong phone. So if you're planning to buy any phone for that matter, head to the nearest Oxygen showroom and make sure you buy your phones or any gadgets for that matter from your Oxygen showroom, because avade oru adivoli sale nadakkunnundu. Vishu okke pramadichu 12ാം തീയതി തൊട്ട് 18ാം തീയതി വരെ super sale ആണ് നടക്കുന്നത്. So if you want a discount, please say my name ഓൾസോ അവിടെ ഓൾറെഡി ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ട്. എൻ്റെ പേരും കൂടി പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവിടെ ഒരു 1000 രൂപയുടെ ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് കിട്ടും. 1000 rupees ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് ഫോർ സെയിങ് Pearle 1000 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. അപ്പം എന്ത് ഗാഡ്ജറ്റ്സ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവിടെ നിന്ന് വാങ്ങിക്കാം. മാത്രമല്ല ഈ ഫോണും വാങ്ങിക്കാം, വേറെ ഏത് ഫോണും വേണമെങ്കിലും വാങ്ങിക്കാം ഫ്രം യുവർ നിയറസ്റ്റ് ഓക്സിജൻ ഷോറൂം. ഇഫ് യു ആർ വണ്ടറിങ് വാട്ട് ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് സെഡ്, ജസ്റ്റ് ഗൂഗിൾ ഇറ്റ് ഡാ. Okay, bye, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, okay, because that will mean so much to me.